Adding a user to your YouTube TV account is simple, but it must be done through Google's Family Group system. Once added, each person gets their own login, recommendations, and DVR library, without affecting your profile. Here's the exact process. Start by opening a browser and visiting families.google.com. Sign in with the Google account that pays for your YouTube TV subscription. This account becomes the Family Manager. Click Create Family Group if you haven't already, then select Invite Family Member. Enter the email address of the person you want to add. Google will send them an invitation, and once they accept, they instantly gain access to YouTube TV under your subscription. Each user gets their own home screen, their own DVR recordings, and their own watch history, completely separate from yours. Keep in mind, all Family Group members must live in the same household area. YouTube TV verifies this using your home area and periodic location checks. Each member must connect to the same home Wi-Fi at least once every 90 days to keep access active. Once they're added, they can open YouTube TV, switch to their profile, and start watching immediately. No extra fees, just clean, simple shared access.